Hi guys, and welcome back to the TechnoWeb Hack channel, and this is the third video of this series. In the previous video we have discussed about the help command of the Metasploit framework, and we have discussed that in the next video, that is in this video, we are going to cover the information gathering part, which is the first step for hacking into any any target machine. So I will show you what we are going to do today. I will show you the Nmap information gathering tool. After that, what are the tools that are available in Kali Linux itself for information gathering, and then we will look into the dig tool. Then we will look into the Netcraft. Okay, so these few things we will be looking into it today, as well as we will be looking in the Metasploit, the port scan thing, how you can use the auxiliaries to scanning the port or the other scanners that we have in MSF. We will see those things as well. Alright, so let's start with this. I will show you first of all. We have the in the information gathering, we have lots of tools available here for the in the Kali Linux, and likewise we have a Nmap here, and other tools are there, like let's see for the Dimitri. So it is showing that these are many options that are available over here, how you can use this tool to scan the TCP port, or lots of options or parameters it provides to you. So as I have gone through all these tools, and according to my experience, I will suggest you to go with Nmap, as it is the quickest one and it is not that time consuming, because I have seen other tools are time consuming, and Nmap is the one I found it's best. Okay, as well as you can find lots of options it provides to you to scan to the target system. Alright, so let's start with this. I have already opened that Nmap over here, so let's clear it out and let's type Nmap and see what we get. So yeah, we got the various help option over here, how you can use the Nmap tool. So okay, let's go one by one. Alright, so first of all, target specification, that is IP address or networks. If you are aware about your target machine, if you know the IP address of your machine, so please give it directly over there. Otherwise, if you are not sure, then you should be making sure which DNS address you have, and you will be looking into the machines, the target machines which are connected to your DNS, that is your gateway address. Okay, next, what we have a target specification, which okay, this is done. Next is host discovery. So these are the options that we have here. Like if you give a -sl list scan, so you will simply list the scan. Likewise, we have some other parameters like this, TCP, SYN, which are like the important parameters. We will be looking into it now. So PS, PA, all these things, like it will show you the ports which are open, and okay, so DNS server, system DNS, traceroute, and under the scan techniques we have -ss, so it is like a TCP SYN scan, and this is ST, that is another parameter, connect one, this is the acknowledgement. Okay, this is window, and this is SM, so it is Maven scan. So you will provide you the UDP scan, means what are the UDP ports which are open, it will provide you that list. Next is okay, so it is like ideal scan, and next one is okay, -yz, init cookie echo scan, IP protocol scan. So okay, all about scanning. Next thing is port specification. So if you want to scan the particular the ports between the range, then you can specify the range over here using -p parameter. Otherwise, if you want to see what are the ports that are available in the target system, so no need to specify any ports here. You can directly put this P, yeah, what is that option is for the port scanning, it's a PS or PA, you can give anything like that, and it will show you all the ports. Next thing is service version detection. So open ports to determine service version. Okay, so for this we have SV. Next thing, okay, script scan. So this is all about script here, hyphen script arguments, and provide some arguments over there. So according to that it will scan. Then OS detection, so you want to know what operating system having the target machine. So -O, it will show you the operating system. Likewise we have a number of options which not necessary, and yeah, we have output option over here. If you want to scan, if you want the output result to be if you want the result to be outputted in the file, like any XML file or any other file format, so you can use this option and you can use this parameter which will print the normal output for the -on, then XML for OX. Likewise yeah, we have here the parameters for output. So it will save the scan result into the file, and you will need to provide the path where this file to be saved. Alright, so let's start with this. Let's give like Nmap, and let's say okay -p. I want to see what are the ports that are available. I will see this. Okay, and let's give then -o. Need to know what are the operating system that target machine is having. And okay, so let's try with a -v. What are the services also it will show you. And also you can see the example over here. You can also use this scan on any website like this. Otherwise, if you are aware about your target machine IP address, you can specify it, or if not, then you can specify the range. So let's try this now. We are not sure what is our target machine IP now in this case. So let's first do one thing. Let's check what is our IP address. So 192.168.43.151. it means that our gateway address would be, or our DNS address would be 192.168.43.1. so we will give 0, as we have to give the CIDR command, the quotation, and then it will search all the ports that are available in this range. So we got discoveries, and it has scanned lots of information about our targets, so good. Okay, let's see what it scans and the result. Okay, okay, so as we have specified the range from 0 and the 24, it means that complete network. So from this network you can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Likewise, it has scanned all these IP addresses, and those are down. So which is up, it will show over here. So it can, you can see here. All right. Okay, so 43. Okay, 43.44. this is the first one. Okay, we got it here. 192.168.43.44. so this is up, this host is up between this range. We can see these are the two ports which is open, 139, and this for the NetBIOS SSN service, and 445, that's for Microsoft DS. That's like this is particularly for file sharing. So these are the open ports which we will use according to our exploit, and we will use these ports to hack into your machine, a target machine. We also got the MAC address. We also got the Windows XP 2003 as an operating system detected. And okay, so next machine that we got here is 192.168.43.58, which is our main host machine where our VMware is installed. So this is our main host machine, which is okay, Windows 10. So you can see there are multiple ports that are open in your machine. Okay, so MAC address it has scanned over here. Operating system, okay, it is not showing operating system over here, but if you go down, let's see. All right, initializing and okay, 151. So this is the Kali Linux machine, and which is our attacker machine. So this is what uh, it has scanned the information about this machine as well. So okay, and next is okay. So as you can see here, we are not able to see the operating system for this machine. So there is another option that is available, and that is -a. So it will show you all information about those machines, or yeah, about the machines which are coming under our network. So let's see with -a, and it should show you the complete information, the NetBIOS or the host name, okay, the everything that is there. Okay, should not take much time, or as we have given the 0-/24, so it will scan the whole network and so it might take some time. Let's do one thing, let's cancel it. And as we know already the targets, so let's specify the target, like let's give for the 58, which is our host machine. Okay, main host machine. Let's see if it is detecting what else it's giving the output for. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, also you can use the db nmap command under Metasploit framework directly, db nmap_nmap, as I shown you in the previous video, db nmap, and you can specify your 192.168.43.58 as your target machine. So okay, this is not connected, so that's why we have not connected to the database, and that's why it's giving the error. So okay, here it will take some time because it will scan everything, all the information it will scan, and it will provide to you about this machine. So let's see if we can start the Metasploit database, that is system start and PostgreSQL. Sorry. Okay, systemctl, and then msfdb init you have to do. All right, msfdb init. Okay, it says this now. Let's see the db status. So it is connected. So when we look for the workspace, okay, it says again not connected because the file which is there, we have to move, or we can connect to the db using the password and username. But okay, we got the result here that we will be doing it later. And okay, so what else it has detected we can show here. Okay, sorry. All right, this is about the ports that we got here. These are the open ports this operating system is having. Okay, this is about the Mac. Okay, and here about the operating system. All right, so OS is Windows 10 Pro and version. Okay, so Windows Pro 6.3, and NetBIOS computer name is also given, work group is also given, system time, the exact time it has given over here. So this is how you can get all the information about your target machine. So this is a quite useful option for this. All right, I will show you in the later video how you will use this ports and operating system to know the vulnerabilities and which exploit will work on this which exploit will work on this ports or this vulnerability that we will be getting. All right, so next we will be moving into the dig command. All right, so let's type dig, and it has shown some information about the dig itself. So dig is mostly used to find out the Microsoft Exchange server and name server of any website. Like let's look for the Facebook, so let's give you as a dig and facebook.com, and then mx, that is a Microsoft Exchange server. So you can see this is the Microsoft Exchange server for Facebook. sorry, the mail exchange server for Facebook. And the next is the NS, so you can give as a NS, it is a name server. So you can see there are two name server got popped up in the answer section. So likewise you can get the server information by using a dig command. Alright, also there is one thing that called as a Netcraft. So this is a very important or you can say very quite useful website which you can use to find out the very sensitive information about the website. Let's like try for the Facebook, and okay, and let's go. So you can see all right, okay, so this is the one that is www.facebook.com. you can just click on the site report over here. Okay, all right, okay, yeah, so it is just loading up, and you can see out of 10 0 risk, it means that the site is very secure, none of the vulnerability, or you can't just like hack the Facebook or something like that. Okay, and this site is very secure, and you can't just yeah, I mean like friends will you can see here the information about the Facebook. That's a very sensitive information here. It is available in this Netcraft, which even facebook.com itself, they are not publishing this information in their website, but you can see this in Netcraft. Okay, so this is your site name, this is the domain, this is your IP address for this website. Okay, this is the IPv6 address, this is the registration domain registrar, and you can see the organization address over here. You can see a couple of things like a name server, DNS admin, reverse DNS, and name server, organization, and so many things that it has shown up over here. All right, you can also see the last scene for this. So this was the 28th of November, yes. And okay, so this is how you can see a web tracker, a site technology like PHP supported and it's on running, and yeah, you can see this is running on Linux as well. So yeah, the couple of information that is really helpful and really sensitive. You can see so many things about any website over here. Just type URL like anything like yahoo.com something. Okay, let's try this. So for Yahoo also it will show you the same result. Okay, this site is also secure as like that, and you can see the IP address, the domain, IPv6, name server, the DNS admin, and so many so much of insensitive information that it has loaded up over here. Also, using this site you can report a phishing site or anything, like when you get any email or anything which is suspicious email which you want to report, so you can also report it here, report a phish. Okay, you can click on this and you can see here report a suspicious URL. Okay, like this way you can report a site sorry, so which you feel like a suspicious, so you can click on the site report and you can submit the information about that site which you feel like a suspicious. All right, so you have so many things, other things that you can do here. Phishing fishiest countries, fishiest hoster, and phishing map, takedown, MAP. All right, so all about this now. Okay, so this is about the Netcraft. The next thing that we will be looking into is under the Metasploit framework. We will be looking into the auxiliary and some scanners. Okay, so port scan and some other scanners, what they can do. So let's see the search for the scanners. or auxiliary for the port scan, how you can use this auxiliary. Okay, so let's search for auxiliary and okay, port scan. Okay, so this is the okay, as we have not configured the database, it might take some time to load up all this thing or the auxiliaries. As we have shown you here in the Nmap, how we can use the Nmap like to scan scan the ports. In the same way this auxiliary will work. Yeah, okay, so yeah, as we can show here, like this, it has scanned this many ports. The same way auxiliary will work inside the Metasploit. So those auxiliary are auxiliary, you can say like auxiliary is the exploit without the payload. Like it's the code that will help you exploit the system without taking the help of any payload. So this is, you can say, like a powerful exploit kind of. Okay, so it's still taking time and it hasn't searched any port scan. Okay, let's check for the port scan. So let's search port scan. Okay, now it should display all the auxiliary or whatever is available regarding the port scan. Yeah, should not take much time, but yeah, let's see that. All right. And yeah, so this will be the port scan, and we can also use the scanners, and yeah, scanners coming under auxiliary and all right, so the port scan are coming under the scanner, so you can also search as a scanner, so it will display you what are the things that you can scan using these scanners. Not even just the port, but there are a lot of things that you can scan with the scanners that we have available here in Metasploit. Okay, so likewise you can use other applications like for the information gathering. This is the Nmap, okay, which is the graphical interface for the Nmap, but I would suggest you yeah, as a beginner you can use that, but yeah, for the better result you can also use Nmap as. Okay, so we got a result over here for this. Now let's see this. So these are the let's maximize, and okay, these are the auxiliary scanner, and you can see, as I said, scanners coming under auxiliary and port scan coming under scanner. So you can use any of these scanners. Like let's try this TCP scan. Okay, so it will scan the TCP ports on your machine, the target machine. So use this. Okay, paste it, and you are using. So okay, let's see what are the targets it will scan. Show targets. So this is not the exploit, so that's why it will not show you the target, because that option is only available in the exploits. So let's see for the show options. Okay. Sorry. So our host, that means I need to set like what is the target system that I need to search this port for, and okay, so let's set it, our host. So set our host, and we already know aware what is our target machine IP address, as we have scanned using the Nmap. So we will directly specify it so that it will not take that much time. And okay, so 44, this is our XP machine. So set our host, and our host is set, and now we'll just exploit it. Or you can also type run, which is the alternate command, worked as same as exploit. So it will scan the TCP ports for this machine, and it will display the result here. So okay, you can see 139, this port is open. But you can see how much time it is taking, as we already know that okay, this port is open, and also we got another port, I guess that is 445 should be open, as we have seen in the Nmap result. Here we can see for the Windows XP machine. Okay, where is that? So all right, we can see here. Okay, this is about the Windows 10. all right, we have okay, already we have searched here for Windows 10 itself and not other. So okay, there you go. In this video in this window we got 445. It has scanned these two ports. They are saying that okay, it is open. So I will just cancel it, all right, because it is taking time. So it's better to use Nmap than any other port scan or any other scanners inside Metasploit. So all right, so this is all about your information gathering for the TCP and operating system, the ports, open ports, and all other what are the things that you can do in Nmap, what are the options that you have available in Nmap. Okay, so we have gone through all this. We have gone through the dig, which is used for the mail exchange and name server information gathering for any website. And inside the Metasploit you will have this many scanners which we can use. If you are not familiar much in Nmap, then you can use the scanner as well over here. Okay, so we have gone through the Netcraft website, which is the very good tool here for information gathering for any website, which is not even the website itself is not giving that information in their banners, and we can get this in here. All right, so this is not ending for the information gathering here actually, yeah, and we have a very big and powerful tools available in internet itself, and like we have some other websites like Shodan. Okay, shodan.io. okay, so this is the website, or you can see this is the website for the hackers they use to search their things, and I will be going into it in deeply in the next video, so that we will make a separate video for this one. Also there is another thing that will be coming under information gathering. Okay, so that's like exploit DB as well as rapid7. okay, rapid7.com, sorry, rapid7.com/db. so okay, inside this you can search for the vulnerability and exploit database. So exploits, and you can search for the vulnerability of anything. So like this way, like you can just search for the Windows 10, and you select here all and you search for it. So it will show you the exploits available for Windows 10. okay, Windows 10 vulnerabilities, Windows 10 exploits. So you can use this kind of exploits then to hack into the Windows 10 machines. It will also show you the the source code of this exploit. Okay, so as you can see, this is the exploit name. If let's see, if we copy this and go back to our terminal. Okay, so we are already here, and let's back and let's see, use this exploit. Okay, so let's see if this exploit is there. Okay, so it says that failed to load module exploit Windows local ALCP task scheduler. It means that this exploit is not available in our database or in our MSF console database, Metasploit framework database. So I will show you in the next video. I will have to make a separate video for this, as I need to show you how you can use this source code here to put it into our database, and how we will use that exploit then to hack into our target machine. Okay, so for this also we will be making a separate video, and we will give the brief description about all this thing. This is the source code that is there for the that for particular exploit, which then we will be using, and we will be directly putting into our database, and we'll be using this exploit. So this is all for today for the information gathering. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon, so that the next videos that will be coming, you will not miss that. All right, so this is all for today. Thank you and bye bye.